Clevertech North America is present in the major segments of the packaging industry, but I can identify at least two very strong markets that are the personal care and home care industry. We are by far the leading company in these two sectors. And we have in our portfolio probably the biggest consumer product companies in the world. It is also true that we try to develop also new market, and recently we enter in the spirits industry with a very challenging and very interesting case study, I would say. A few months ago, we received an inquiry from an important engineering company asking for a very specific application from one of their customers. The project started with 7 competitors, but Clevertech was able to provide a very customized solution. And one of the winning features that allowed Clevertech to get the project was the capability not only to design a very unique solution for the customer, but we were the only company capable to provide proof of concept for them. Again, Clevertech was not just a supplier, but was a provider and support in the engineering to engineer the solution for the customer. By providing this proof of concept, we were able to demonstrate the customer the right application of our solution. We are talking about a unique project where the customer was looking to depalletize reshippers at 32 cases per minute. There were very unique points in this project. First of all, the customer again wanted to depalletize reshippers with the open flap down. And during the design of the first stage of the design of the project, we told the customer that was not possible. And we basically guide the customer to change the configuration of the reshipper they were receiving. So for this specific project, we were able to provide and deliver 3 depalletizers at high speed for reshippers, with the capability to add in future the possibility to depalletize also empty glass in bulk. And that is a very unique application for the market. I can say that probably we are the only provider in the market capable to deliver this kind of solution. Then we provide 3 palletizing systems, robotic system, capable to run at 32 cases per minute. And each line is capable to handle more than 100 SKU. So we are talking about a very flexible line that convey all the pallets to one centralized ring-style stretch wrapper. And then we convey all the pallets to the automatic warehouse system. With this specific project, basically Clevertech entered in the spirits company, becoming a partner of one of the most important and recognized brands in this specific segment. Another unique selling point for Clevertech was the capability to provide a unique acceptance test in just one location, in our location in Italy. So basically we could install all the machine in our location and test them at running speed in order to prove to the customer the efficiency of our system. And we were the only supplier in the bidding process capable to provide this kind of service.